What it do? Let's jump right into it. Back with another unboxing video. I'm here in Bangkok, Thailand, sitting Indian style like a little child. I made a video yesterday about this new Huawei Pura that I picked up in China when I was in Chengdu and Chongqing. So you guys go ahead and watch that video if you're interested in that. I'll be making more videos on that. Obviously, I still have the Huawei MatePad Mini. Let go. Love this tablet. Perfect for travel. Perfect for watching content on the plane and different things like that. But anyways, today we're unboxing yet another Huawei product. I picked up a few Huawei products while I was in China, and this is another one. So let's get into it. I told you guys I might be going full Huawei. So today we're going to be unboxing the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 5. Handy dandy knife. Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me raise the camera up a little bit. Comes with a little QR code for you to install the app. Some paperwork. This is probably the Huawei Music app or something. We shall see. We have some earbuds. Have a large, small, extra small. Looks like that's all that comes in the box. They almost look like some AirPod Pros. They had this in a few different colors. I think they had it in black. I want to say blue or navy blue. This color and white, I believe. And I chose this color because it looks premium. Now we're going to see if we can download the app. I have my Pura X Max right here. Let's see if we can scan that QR code quick. It's one thing I do love about Chinese products. They are quick with the QR code scanning. Blah, blah, cookie settings, accept only essential. No apps. Hold on now. Guess we have to go to the app gallery. Looks like I need to download. Well, I should try it out without downloading the app and see what happens. Let's see if they automatically attach. I don't believe they are. Okay, looks like the app that I need to download is the Huawei AI Life app. So we're going to go to the app gallery. See if we can search that. I believe it's this app right here. Guess it's already downloaded. So, I guess it's already downloaded. So we're just going to update it. Let that update finish. Looks like we got it downloaded, so let's open it. And we're going to go to add a device. What? Unavailable. Hold on now. Well, it looks like we can't use that app because it's unavailable in our region. Let's figure it out. Okay, it looks like I didn't have the near link and the Bluetooth on. That app that we were looking at earlier doesn't seem to work. I guess I would have to be in China to use that app. That's fine. But it looks like I had the near link and the Bluetooth off. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Bam, pops right up. Huawei FreeBuds Pro 5. Tap here to download high-res animations. Of course, having animations is like having RGB on your computer. We need it. Download complete. Love the animation. Connect. Connection successful. Choose the right tips. They already have some tips on the earbuds. This is just going through the different menus, I guess, of what you can do with the FreeBuds. I love the animations though. But they already have some earbuds on the FreeBuds, so going to just go with what they have and test these out. As you can see, it says it's connected. Don't know what that is. Now, what is this? Update. It's asking for me to update. We're going to go ahead and do the update for the FreeBud Pro. So, download and install. Yes, they are inside the case. While we wait, let's check out some video. Still need to make some more videos about the Huawei MatePad Mini. But again, I've been on vacation. But best believe more videos will be coming on the MatePad Mini. Anyways, let's see if it's downloaded. %. Video is still sitting up top. Front screen. Okay, let's get right into it. Finally made it home from the mall. Ended up making a purchase, my first Huawei product, and it is. Looks like it's finished. Done. And we're connected. It says it has lossless. I'm not going to enable the smart voice prompts right now. Smart translation. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to test these out. Looks like they did connect. Didn't really have any problems outside of that one app that I wasn't able to use. But I'm about to check it out, listen to some music and see how it sounds. I'll let you guys know. Seems like they fit pretty snug in my ear. Let's go on YouTube. I haven't downloaded Spotify or anything yet. No, you guys can't hear it. Anyways, I'm about to put on some music and test these FreeBuds out. They are noise canceling. I have them in my ear right now, and it's pretty quiet, and they're fitting. They have a little snug fit to it. So I'll leave the ear tips that's currently on them. I won't switch them out yet, but I'll let you know. Let go.